Well, it's another morning. Big Red's got a lot of work to do. We're gonna get to it. Problem is, there's all this snow, and we gotta clean it up. It's getting real bad. I just don't like it. I think I could rig this on here. We could make this real quick. That ought to help real good. We'll see what we can do here. Now, if you never did know nothing, I'll tell you something right now. You never got enough bungee cords. You just never do. Sometimes you only need one bungee cord. So, if you only got one bungee cord, that'll work too. But looks like we got her all hooked up here. Ready to do something good. Gotta rub it up a few times. It's gonna be a lot of work for the Big Red. Oh! Calm down, Big Red. Reverse on this thing. There it is. Oh, hey now. Hey. It's almost working, but not quite. I mean, I did a little plowing already. Ain't too bad. Might need a little work on the designery of it. We'll get her figured out. Yeah, I would say the Big Red's good at snow plowing, alright. Real good. Can't complain there, nope. Nope. No, I had a good idea here. What I could do. You guys ain't gonna believe what I come up with. What you need is a little bit of grass here. And I'll show you what I mean in a little bit here. Well, as you can see, the padding's wearing out on the seat here. Well, that ain't no good. What you gotta do is add a little grass in there. Make it a lot more comfy. You just pack it in there real good like that. Yeah, that ought to do her. It looks good too. Oh yeah. As you can see, I've been working all summer making a big log pile. Gotta keep the house warmer in the winter, if you know what I mean. Well, I'd say that's about 10 cords worth right there. That should be enough for a while. Well, first thing about Big Red, you want to work on this sucker? It's real easy. You just lift on this little lever right here. There you go. Now you can get down there, change all them oil filters and all them grease bearings. Get in there, change out the tire air, you know. You get in there, you know. Maybe you gotta do the brakes on there. I think this might be. Let's take a look at this thing, see if anyone's been maintaining it. Well, I can't really tell, but it's got a good skid plate on there. I think that's part of the braking system, as far as I know. Anyway, I just want to show you guys how handy dandy these are to work on.